And question number 8, that is what? Diagram. This is the Q point, P point, A point, B, and then PQ. And listen, question number 8. Question number 8. 3 girls skating on a circular ice ground of radius 200 meter. Radius, that is what? R, that is what? 200 meter. 3 girls, and name is suppose that C. Girl C. 3 girls skating on a circular ice ground of radius 200 meter start from a point P on the edge of the ground and reach at a point Q diametrically opposite to P, following different path. This path, and this path, as shown in the diagram. What is the magnitude of the displacement vector for each? For each girl is for which girl is this equal to the actual length of the path escaped? And student, so radius of this circular path, that is what given? 200 meter. So diameter of circular path, diameter D comes out to be what? 2 times the radius, that is what? 400 meter. So diameter of this. And first question, what is the magnitude of the displacement vector for each? So according to the definition of the displacement, sorted straight line path between final position and initial position. 3 girls which reaches from P to Q by following 3 different path. But the actual displacement which is from P to Q part. So what is the magnitude of displacement vector for each? So magnitude of displacement vector for each student, that is what? 400, because displacement does not depend upon the path followed by. So 3 girls which is starting from P, skating from P to reach at Q by different path A and B and C, but the actual displacement, that is what? Straight line path, which is from diameter of the circular path, and magnitude of displacement vector for each girl, that is what? 400 meter. For which girl is this equal to the actual path? So this is girl A, this is girl B, and this is girl C. So for which girl? So girl B. Second answer. Which girl is this equal to the actual length of the path escaped? That is girl B, which is straight line path. B girl which is starting from P and reaches to Q in straight line path. So second answer, that is what? Girl B. Now student, question number, that is 9. Question number 9, and again there will be a diagram. O, P, Q, 1 kilometer. And listen, question OPQ. A cyclist start from center O of a circular park of radius 1 kilometer, reaches the edge P of the park, then cycles along the circumference and return to the center QO as shown in the diagram. If the round trip takes 10 minutes, total time taken, that is what? 10 minutes. If the round trip takes 10 minutes, what is the first net displacement? Net displacement. And you know that net displacement, that is what? 0, because cyclists start from O and return back to from path OPQO to same original position. So shortest straight line path of the cyclist from initial position and final position, that is what? Same. So net displacement of the cyclist, that is what? 0. Second, average velocity, average speed of the cyclist. So first, that is we have calculated. Second, that is what? Average velocity. And average velocity, you know that displacement, net displacement by time taken. So cyclist start from O and return back to O. So net displacement of the cyclist, that is what? 0. So average velocity, that is what? Also that is what? 0. So average velocity comes out to be that is what? 0. Average velocity in this case comes out to be that is what? 0, because displacement is 0. So average velocity, that is what? Total displacement by total time taken. So net displacement, that is what? 0. So average velocity will also be what? 0. Next one is what? Average speed. And average speed, that is what? Third part. Average speed. Average speed, that is what? Total distance by total time taken. Total distance by total time taken. And total displacement at total distance, that is student what? Start speed, that is what? Scalar quantity. So distance which is we have to find O to P, P to Q and Q to O. So total distance here, that is what? 1 kilometer. Again, that is what? 1/4 part of this P to Q, that is what? Arc of the 1/4 part of the arc of the circle. And arc means what? Circumference of the circle. 1/4 part P to Q, that is the arc of the circle, and this P to Q arc, which is 1/4 part of the circumference of the circle. So this distance, that is what? OP plus PQ plus QO. And OP, that is what? 1 kilometer, student, you know that. 1 PQ, 1/4 circumference of circle, that is what? 2 pi r plus it is also, that is what? 1. And this will be written, that is what? 2. So 1 plus and pi 22/7. 22/7 into 2 and radius. Radius which is also given, that is what? In terms of kilometer, that is what? 1. So this one. So, and student, this can be what? 11. So it can be written as 1 plus 1, 2 plus, that is what? 2 plus 11/7. 7 2 ja 14. 25/7 kilometer. So total distance, this is equation 1, suppose that this is total distance First we find total distance OP plus PQ plus QR, and this is comes out to 25/7. Now what the time taken? 10 minutes. 10 minutes can be changed into hour, that is what? 1/6 hour. So formula can be written as here. Average speed can be written as total distance, that is what? 25/7, and time taken, that is what? 1/6. So student, it comes out to be that average speed in this case comes out to be that is what? 150. 25/6 150/7, and student 7 2 14. 7 2 14, 1, 7 1 7, 3, 7 4 28, 2, 7 2 So average speed comes out to be that 21.42 kilometer per hour. So net displacement of cycle is 0, and displacement is 0. So average velocity will also 0, but average speed comes out to be that 21.42 kilometer per hour. Thank you.